Hi, I'm Richard, and I'm a baby lock educator. Come and join me for my 2-day Serger Quilt Camp workshop. We're going to have so much fun. Some of the techniques you'll be learning is how to achieve a perfect 1/4 inch seam with your serger. There's 3 different ways to do that, and you're going to learn all 3 of them. It is so much fun. I love piecing quilt tops on my serger because guess what? I don't have to wind bobbins. I have a 2,000-yard bobbin on my serger to piece with, and I find that really exciting, don't you? Serger applique. We've all done applique with our sewing machines and embroidery machines, but did you know you can do applique on a serger? You'll learn how to in our workshop. And you'll also learn how to do my exclusive pattern that I call Line Dancer, and it's all about embroidery and embellishing on your serger.